The course has been immensely helpful in developing my knowledge beyond the normal day-to-day financial activities that we do. The course has a right mix of financial and non-financial modules in the way it touches all the aspects of business, strategy, marketing, HR, operations, and help being in finance. We need to know how other functions operate so that we can add value. So this course has the right mix of all such things.
I've been a part of the experienced CA program of IIM Ahmedabad. I'm very happy to share my experiences. It was a out of the world experience over here, both in terms of knowledge sharing, the team building, and the type of situations or the case scenarios we were all involved in. So it gave us a platform to unlearn, relearn, and focus on synergies, on out of the world thinking, and coming to decision makings in times of uncertainty. How technologies disrupt businesses, how certain businesses are valued, what are the things to brought into focus at times of strategic decision making. All these are brought out in a beautiful manner. I would really love to thank all the experienced faculty members over here who have given us so much of knowledge and insights and made our decision making scenarios wonderful, and they have given us an whole opportunities where we can use our prowess and ensure that wherever we go or whatever value propositions we undertake, we create a distinctive edge over others.
This course, Management and Finance for Experienced Chartered Accountants, it's really beautifully and intellectually designed by the institute, and especially for chartered accountants who have already undergone a rigorous training, including 3 years of articleship and the academic stuff. This is something that makes you think out of the box, and for every management student, whatever curriculum is included in the management courses, this is like a summarized content which is included for the chartered accountants in a short span of 21 days. You get to extract the most out of it, and I think my major takeaway from this course would be I can be a business leader in the industry. I can lead a company, any good industry. There are topics like operations management, strategic management. There are areas that you have not really focused upon in your CA curriculum.
Today I am at the fag end of the course, and across this 1 month study, which was divided into 2 modules, 15 days in November and 15 days right now, it was a complete changing experience from what I have learned in previously and what I am learning today. As a chartered accountant, and especially senior chartered accountants, you have been practicing 7-8 years of experience in your competent field, which mainly includes finance, audit, taxation, or accounts. But there are perspectives when you look beyond these 4 fields, that includes marketing, HR, and operation strategy, plus people organization. As a leader, when you grow from a junior management to middle management, or from a middle management to senior management, these all perspectives you need to look at a lot. So the whole class understandings, as well as the case studies and the method used by IMA with the practical case studies and approach, helped me a lot to learn everything of this. And I think I'm going to take a lot of learnings and initiatives from what I've studied over here across this course, and it will be really insightful to help me out there in the outer world.
I came for the CA program for Management and Finance. This has been a very pleasant experience for me because as a traditional CA practitioner, we basically deal with financial figures and numbers. So here we looked at different perspectives, that is from strategy as well as interpersonal skills. I think the experience has been very memorable to me because of the diverse portfolios or experienced peers with me who attended this program, and I feel it has added to my experience.